Good morning, ladies. Welcome to another week of the card kit. And today in your kit, you're going to have this very simple but pretty card. And I haven't decided whether or not I'm going to put a saying on the outside. I'm debating, okay? Inside and the outside. So what we're using today is the Tropical Oasis Memories and More card pack. Now this is retiring, and so I wanted to use more of it, use it up. Okay, so that's what's in your kit. Now everybody will have a different front panel, and this is not just DSP, this is actually a card. So on one side might be a picture, on the other side might be journaling space. So you can use it for something else if you'd like. You've got this die cut piece, this die cut frame, which comes with the Ornate Garden Suite, which I absolutely love. And that's why I think it's just so pretty, so simple. Okay. This ribbon is also retiring. And it's the Petal Pink ribbon, and it's gold edged. Okay, but the neat thing is we're still going to continue to carry the same type of ribbon. It's a little wider, and it comes in white with either silver trim or gold trim. And this is for my niece, but I colored it with the Flirty Flamingo blends. So you can have any color ribbon you want as long as you've got the blend to go with it. Okay, so I thought that was really, I love it in Flirty Flamingo. Okay, so that ribbon is continuing, and again, it's in white with either silver or gold trim. Okay, what we're also, what I used for this cherished friend, this is a brand new stamp set that starts tomorrow. So this is the new catalog. I can't show you the inside till tomorrow. But if you haven't gotten one from me yet, please reach out to me and we'll make that happen, okay? So this is in the new catalog, and it's a red rubber stamp set, and that's where the cherished friend came from, okay? But you do have, as you know, I can't stamp for you, but you've got the punched piece from the framelit, okay? So the card is really very simple. You've got Grapefruit Grove. This one too is retiring. It's an in color that's been around for 2 years. Everyone has, as I said, a different piece for the center here. And you can either make this a vertical card or a horizontal card, whichever you like. Okay. And then you've got an inside piece with an extra piece of for the flag. And that's for the inside. I think I said that. Okay. This piece pops up with a dimensional. And then you have that little petal pink bow. And you can put that on there anywhere. And then stamp on your greeting. And this card, I think when it's vertical, it lends itself more to a greeting than it does as a horizontal. I think it just, I guess it also just depends on the pattern. It kind of takes away from it. So maybe a smaller greeting would work on here. Okay, so if you've got any questions, please feel free to reach out, and I hope you're staying safe, and I'm hoping that we can do Stamp Camp on the 17th. I've got 2 RSVPs so far. I'm going to be doing social distancing at Stamp Camp. I'll set up 4 tables, 2 people at a table. So wear your mask, and please RSVP if you'd like to be there, and that way I can keep you updated on the plans. All right, have a great day. Hope to see you soon. Bye.